Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install the Bitcoin IRA app. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the App Store or Google Play. Then search for Bitcoin IRA. So the app must be the same with the icon shown in this video. Beside it is a button that says Get. Tap on Get. Once downloaded, tap on Open. And once the app is opened, tap on Get Started. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Otherwise, tap on Create an account. Since we already have an account, we're going to log in now. First enter your email address. Then enter your password. That's how you download and install the Bitcoin IRA app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.